But you can see I'm actually at immigration, and I thought I'd share this with you because I was getting a lot of confusing feedback when it came to doing this visa run. So I'm out here kind of near Pattaya, and there's a border to Cambodia, which is quite close. It's right here. It's about 250 kilometers, and I was looking online, I was doing my research, and pretty much came down to you have to go to Pattaya, and it costs you between 4,500 to 5,500 baht to get everything done. This is including the visa for Cambodia, because you have to get the 1 day, right? And I found a shortcut. So the visa itself cost me 1,300 baht. It was much cheaper than people were telling me it was supposed to be. Now, when you do first get here, people are gonna take your passport, give you a card with a red M on it. Actually, let me show it to you because I still have it. So it looks something like this. Is that an M? Yeah, W, right? So what that is it's pretty much an agent trying to hook you up. They charge you 2,000 baht to get it done. Don't worry about it. Just keep walking, tell them you got an EU visa, just lie to them, whatever it is. Just get past them. The actual visa into Cambodia is 1,300, at least for an American. I think that's pretty standard. But got through there. The guy was really cool. He actually stamped me in, stamped me out all at the same time. And I went back to Thailand and got stamped. Took about 30 seconds. I was in and out. And here's the cool part. How much does it actually cost me? 1.3 for the visa. And boom, boom. 1,200 baht for the car. So we didn't have to worry about getting the bus. The bus itself ran me about 3,500 baht to about 5,000 baht for the whole trip. Takes all day. They pick you up 5 a.m. This isn't Pattaya though, and that includes the visa. It just wasn't worth it. I just ended up spending a total of, the car was 1,200. There's a deposit of 2,000. I get that back. I spent 400 baht on the gas. The visa itself was 1,300. I gave the guy 100 baht because he just in and out of me real quick, because he asked me, he's like, are you just gonna leave? I was like, yeah. He's like, I'll just take care of it now for you. And I got all that taken care of. So the total is right there. That's all it cost. If you have a driver's license and an international, this is, wow, like 50% cheaper, and you can do it on your own time. And it's chill. Driving out here is easy, man. It's just the other side of the road. Everything else is fine. People in this area, like Pattaya and stuff, once you get out of the main city, actually don't drive too bad. And I felt like I was in America driving. It was a lot better than driving in Malaysia. That was kind of chaotic. Tenfold better than driving in freaking Vietnam. So hopefully that gives you some insight on this border. I've seen people do videos on this border and they don't say anything. They just put like something in the description saying 5,000 baht from Pattaya to here. But that's a scam. That's a ripoff. That's what Western people do. You know, I lived in Vietnam for like 7 years, and I know all the hookups. I don't care. I've only been in Thailand for like 6 months. I'm finding the damn hookups, and I'm gonna share with you guys. So hopefully that helps. Till then, I got about a 250 kilometer drive. That's how long it took to get here, or how far. I got to drive that back. So till then, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you again.